Hi, I'm Michael, a receptionist at Goodwill. We have a special announcement.
In fact, we do. On June 4th, Goodwill was excited to hear the announcement that our Amazing Impact Centre and our Sustainability Action Plan, sponsored and supported by the Alberta Treasury Branch, was awarded a prestigious Emerald Award from the Emerald Foundation. The foundation has been celebrating and promoting excellence in environmental stewardship since 1992. Goodwill is well known for our tremendous results in providing career development and creating jobs for Albertans with disabilities. Here in 2019, we are one of the largest employers of persons with disabilities in Alberta. To this end, we proudly accepted in 2016 the Mayor of Edmonton's Accessibility Award for Goodwill's track record in creating employment and opportunity for Edmontonians with disabilities. What Goodwill is not known well for is a commitment and success to environmental stewardship and sustainability. We launched our Sustainability Action Plan in 2018, and our first year of Sustainability High Performance, we were presented the Best in Class Award from the Recycling Council of Alberta. Yes, in our first year of significant dedication to sustainability, Goodwill received our first award for success outside of our core mandate of changing lives for the better, strengthening families and communities through the power of work and the dignity of a job. Our board chair, Mr. Kevin McDonald, and I received the Emerald Award and proudly did so on behalf of 4 stakeholders. First, on behalf of Albertans with disabilities that our incredible social enterprise is able to support through career development and job creation. Second, on behalf of over 1 million shoppers who shop our 13 thrift stores and through whose purchases support what Goodwill achieves. Third, on behalf of over 600,000 Albertans who donate to Goodwill on a regular basis and through whose donations of clothing and used household goods fuel the magic of what Goodwill achieves. Fourth and finally, on behalf of Elaine Wagner, a team member at Goodwill who, as a single parent, raised her children on her earnings working at Goodwill. Elaine joined Goodwill through a career development program way back in 1976, and since 1976 has been a loyal, hardworking team member benefiting from the Goodwill social enterprise. After 43 years of working at Goodwill, Elaine retires later this year. Goodwill proudly accepts our Emerald Award on behalf of Elaine and all the Elaines that benefit from Goodwill since we opened our first store in 1963. For over a half-century, Goodwill has once again been changing lives for the better, strengthening families and communities through the power of work and the dignity of a job. In recent times, we've been able to accelerate and amplify this good through our Sustainability Action Plan and commitment to our environment. Thank you, Alberta Treasury Branch, thank you to the Emerald Foundation, and thank you to each and every Albertan who supports Goodwill Industries of Alberta, one of the most successful Goodwills not only in Canada, in fact, all of North America. Reduce, repurpose, recycle, and partner with Goodwill in creating a better world for tomorrow by our collective actions today.
Thank you again and have a fantastic day.